I just want to make a very fast and very nice pancake. This is simple Arabic pancake, and to make this pancake I will be using 3 cups of flour and 3 eggs. I have saffron here for flavor, and also cardamom powder. This is homemade, don't mind my jar. This is homemade cardamom, and this is semen. Omani, they call it semen. We make it at home. This is make at home, and the English name is transferred, or this is reprocessed butter into oil, and India people call this ghee. And also we have some salt here to have a nice taste, and this is my water, and I have a cup for measuring, and this is manual pancake dispenser, and I have my whisk here and a spoon and a turning spoon. So let's get started and let's make a nice and simple quick pancake. So when I turn on the gas, I just have to set it into low medium. You know, pancake doesn't need too much of it. Just this is 1 teaspoon, and cardamom, not too much. You can see it's just little. It's just for a flavor, and you can see this saffron. See what it looks like. This is saffron, so just add little, because if you add too much it will change the color of the flour, and I don't need that. And even when it's too heavy, people will complain it's so strong, so you don't need that. And this is our ghee. Going to use just 2 spoons of this. That is enough. And here is our egg. So I'm going to break 3 eggs. Actually, this is very wrong. You have to break your egg in a bowl one by one to check in case if it's okay, because sometimes egg do spoil, but this is fresh egg. That's why I can do this. So don't do like this. Break it one by one in a separate bowl. And this is the third one. Now I'm going to add some water. This is 1 cup of water, so I have to mix it together. But if I notice that it needs more water, then I will add. But I believe this one is okay for just 3 cups. This is what I normally do. So it doesn't need you to spend a lot of time on it, as you can see. So it's very thick, and it's supposed not to be thick because this is just it must be light. So I have to add some water. I add some water. So this is just 1.5 cup, because that is half of that cup that I may use. And in Arabic they call this Kurusi. Pancake in Arab country is called Kurusi. Guys, after making use of 1.5 cup, look at it. The mixture inside the dispenser. Yes, let's here started, and this is my griddle, so it's already hot now. I just have to add some trans fat oil, the mixture inside the manual dispenser. I just have to put it on it like this so that it can cook. It's just for a few minutes. Don't forget to add it. This will make it easy for you. And if you don't have what do you call it, in case you are in Nigeria and you don't have semen or trans fat oil, make use of butter. You can make a butter and use it like this, or you add a butter to the mixture from the start. Very simple to make and very actually I don't really like this one, but it's actually good. We are making this for people who doesn't like sugar taste at all, like old or grown up people. They like it like this. You don't add sugar, you don't add anything like honey. They prefer it like this. Actually, this is how I was trained when I got here. This is what I was taught here. But after watching them, I made my own way. And that my own way, they really fall in love with it, and I have to abandon this way of their own. But I just want to show you guys how it's been made, and later on I will put the way I make my own pancake. But this is the way I was trained when I got here, how to make Arabian pancake, finger pancake. You can see it's very small. It has to be small sizes. Sugar, and you can see in the mixture I don't add sugar, so you add on it any way you like. And this is how I do have my guys, this is how I'm going to have my pancake. I had some honey to top it, and with also red apple. It's very yummy, very light and simple breakfast that you can have in a quick. And hope you enjoy it, like it. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up and share. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.